If you are looking to grow your blog quickly, these 6 courses should help you get there. Hey guys, it's Jess, and on our channel, Blogging Money Life, we teach creators like you how to leave your day job so you can live your life on your terms. If you've been wanting to reach your blogging goals quickly, I'm right there with you. Blogging takes so much time, and there's so much to do and learn. But something that I've learned is that if you get the right blogging mentors, your blog can grow so much faster. I've had several blogging mentors over the years, and working with them one-on-one can be a bit expensive. This is why when it comes to learning about blogging and getting a quick start to growing it quickly, I recommend utilizing blogging courses. You still get great guidance from blogging mentors at a much more affordable price. The only thing that makes blogging courses a little difficult to choose from is knowing which ones to go with. I can say that I've taken a lot of blogging courses over the years. Some have been phenomenal and have put me so much further ahead in my blogging journey than if I had to figure these things out on my own. On the other hand, I've also had blogging courses that have completely bombed. I'm talking either them having incorrect information, or info I already knew, or just information that I wasn't a good fit for what I was trying to accomplish. Because there are so many blogging courses out there, you want to make sure that you are investing in the right one. So today, I'm going to share the blogging courses that I have had the biggest impact on growth on not only my first blog, Miss Millennium Magazine, but our new blog, Blogging Money Life as well. Let's get started. Let me just start by saying that when you are a blogger, excellent courses are an investment. And if you are strapped for cash, I find that the Genius Bloggers Toolkit is enough to set you up for blogging success for a very low price. It's not just one blog course, it's several. And there are often bonuses such as free subscriptions, printables, worksheets, and PDFs. I get this bundle every single year because if there's even one course in the bundle that interests me, it is more than likely worth my time. But I usually check to make sure there are a few courses in the bundle that interest me before I buy. This year's bundle includes 76 e-courses, ebooks, printable packs, and workbooks, templates, stock photo packs, exclusive bonuses. And it's an overall value of over $6,000 for only $97. And there is a variety of topics of each course to choose from, including content creation, email marketing, getting started with blogging, marketing and branding, monetization, planning and organization, product creation, search engine optimization and traffic, and social media. If you are trying to grow your blog in any of these capacities, the Genius Bloggers Toolkit is right up your alley. And fun fact, Chris and I have a product in this year's bundle called our Sponsor Post Pricing Toolkit. In our toolkit, we give you everything you need to make more money with sponsor posts on your blog, including our sponsor post pricing calculator, our video tutorial that teaches bloggers how much to charge for sponsor posts on your blog, our brand proposal template so you always look like a pro, our work with me page template, and our sponsor campaign rebuttal checklist. Our sponsor post pitching email templates are also included, giving this toolkit a total value of $64. And it's all included in this year's Genius Bloggers Toolkit. If you're wondering if the content included is worth your time, know that they offer a 30-day guarantee. So if you start going through the course and realize that none of them will help you, which is highly unlikely, I speak from experience here, you can expect to get a full refund. Here's the catch about the Genius Bloggers Toolkit. It only opens a few times a year and only for a few days. And currently, it is on sale right now, but only until Monday, September 27th at midnight. Sign up for the Genius Bloggers Toolkit with the link in the description below to get this incredible value while you still can. Let's move on to the second course, Instagram Domination. I cannot speak highly enough about this course. It is what helped me grow my Instagram account from over 4,000 subscribers to 12,000 now. And the best part is that it was recently updated, so I definitely owe my Instagram success to this course. Nathan Chan is a great teacher, and this course is an excellent investment if you want to make money and drive traffic to Instagram. However, if you are not sure if you're ready to invest in a course on Instagram yet, I highly recommend checking out his free blogging system called the Instagram Masterclass. Instagram Masterclass is an exclusive webinar hosted by Nathan Chan. In this in-depth masterclass, Nathan walks you through the exact strategies to land 500,000 new target Instagram followers in under 12 months. The course is awesome. I took it and saw results. And if you want to see for yourself, check out the free webinar with the link in the description below. On to course number 3. If Pinterest is not a part of your traffic strategy, then it probably should be. While Pinterest is going through quite a few changes lately, and many bloggers are gravitating away from Pinterest, I still find Pinterest to be a very good source of traffic to my blog, and I believe you will too. Pinterest Traffic Avalanche by Create and Go founders Alex and Lauren is the perfect course to help you reach your blog traffic goals. I used Pinterest Traffic Avalanche when I had a Pinterest account for years, but barely had any followers. This course helped me not only grow my followers, but made Pinterest one of my leading sources of traffic to my blog. You can learn more and sign up for Pinterest Traffic Avalanche in the description below. Course number 4 is Making Sense of Affiliate Marketing by Michelle Schroeder-Gardner. Making Sense of Affiliate Marketing was the first affiliate course I took, and it helped me get in the right mindset for selling more on my blog. I think all bloggers have this initial aversion to selling, especially with affiliate programs. But after I took this course, I got it. Affiliate links can help your readers if they are relevant. Not to mention, affiliate marketing is a great way to make passive income. If you are new to this, I think Michelle's course is the one to take first. I learned a lot about the different ways to promote affiliate links on your blog. I also learned how to make a lot of money from the same post over and over again. Learn more about Making Sense of Affiliate Marketing with the link in the description below. Last but certainly not least is List Love by Jennifer Maker. Jennifer Maker is a very successful blogger. She wrote an ebook called List Love: Introduction to List Building, and she's giving it away for free. She loves to give away free things. It's one of her secrets to success. The List Love ebook is a fun introduction to building your email list. She answers a lot of questions and explains why you need a mailing list, recommendations for great email service providers, real-life examples of specific ways she's built her list of over 24,000 subscribers, and an overview of her formula. In addition, Jennifer's included some information I can almost guarantee you've never thought or heard of, so you don't want to miss it. Check out Jennifer's free ebook in the description below. All these blog courses deliver quality information. While some are free and others aren't, I can personally vouch that you will get a fantastic return on investment. To learn more about the monetization strategies we've been using on our new blog, check out my blogging roadmap for September video, where I detail our full monetization plan for Blogging Money Life. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Wednesday, and thank you so much for watching.